Hello, my Bird Glamours viewers. Let's say that you're taking a stroll along the edge of a pond or another waterway, and on that waterway's edge, you happen to spot a small, dark, hunched-over little heron standing on yellow legs. You might have been lucky enough to find one of the fishing holes of the green heron. So in this video, we're going to get properly glammed up so that we can join a green heron on one of their fishing trips. Green herons can be found throughout eastern North America during the summer breeding season, sometimes as far north as southern British Columbia and the southern part of eastern Canada. Year-round, they can be found in the southern United States, particularly Florida, and also in Mexico and Central America. If you're lucky enough to spot one of these stealthy little herons on one of their fishing trips, you'll notice a very gorgeous gray-green back on this heron, a lovely chestnut brown front and neck, and all topped off with a shimmery navy blue cap. So we're going to recreate that glamour of the green heron on this very human face, and then we're going to go on a green heron styled fishing trip. The main color on a green heron's face area isn't actually the green color, it's the navy blue. So that's going to be the color we start out with in the application. For the navy blue color, I'm going to be using the Decay Full Spectrum palette. And the color in there will be the darkest blue that they have, the Minx. And I'll be first defining my eyes and outlining the blue area with a small angled brush, like this one here. Now that I've defined the areas where the navy blue appears on the green heron's head, I'm going to use my favorite small fluffy brush to finish filling in. My next step for applying the green heron fishing trip look is to mask out the white stripe that you can sometimes, but not always, see on the face of the green heron. So I'm going to use my favorite white color, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. But I won't be using the pencil directly. I need a little bit more precision than what the tip has to offer. So I'm going to be using another small angled brush to just paint it onto the brush. And then use the brush to apply the white. Green herons are really fascinating from a paleontology perspective. It's a bird that we can see flying around today, but it's also a bird that has a fossil record in North America. To help explain the fossil record of the green heron, I've asked my friend Corvinius to join us. And here he is. Hello, Corvinius. Bird skeletons are generally pretty fragile. Bones like the bones in the skull are very thin, and while we do find really nice bird skulls preserved, it's not the most common bird bone to find in the fossil record. The bones that are more likely to be found in the fossil record are the more sturdy bones of the upper wing and of the leg. So in Corvinius here, we can see his foot bones, And we also see this long bone in his leg that he's kind of perched on right now. This is a bundle of bones called the tarsometatarsus. Green heron tarsometatarsus bones have been found from Ice Age deposits or Pleistocene deposits in Florida and from the La Brea tar pits up in California. So we know from these very sturdy bones of the green heron's foot that green herons were in North America from at least the Ice Age onward. Now it's time to apply the nice rusty chestnut color of the green heron to this look. And for that I'm going to be using M.A.C Cosmetics eyeshadow Coppering, and because I really need to get into some tight places here, I'm going to continue using a small angled brush. We can't have a green heron bird glamour without at least trying to incorporate some of the green of the green heron's name. So to do that, I'm going to apply some shimmery dark green on my upper lids using a slightly larger fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using M.A.C Cosmetics eyeshadow in color Humid. This is a really nice color. I often wear this just for every day, so yeah, I like Humid. And remember, tap the brush.
Well, hello there! You've caught me doing some fishing, green heron style. Green herons are one of the few birds that are known to use tools to gather food. And what the green heron does is it uses little bits of bread or feathers or grass, and it throws them onto the surface of the water, hoping to attract fish with the movement in the ripples. And then the green heron waits and snatches up the fish.
Have you ever seen crows or herons or any other bird seem to use an object like a tool? I'd like to hear about that in the comments section. I love bird stories, so share away. Thank you for joining me for the Green Heron Bird Glamour. See you next time.